The linear correlation coefficient is denoted by R, and it measures the strength of the linear association between two variables. To find the linear correlation coefficient R, you can do it two ways. You can compute it by using the formula for R. That formula is below. And from it, you can see that it is not a formula you would want to work with, if you can help it. It's very cumbersome and tedious to use. So R equals n times sigma xy minus sigma x times sigma y all over the square root of n times sigma x squared minus sigma squared all x times the square root of n sigma y squared minus sigma y all squared. Now, that is a lot of work to do, and that is very tedious. It can be done, but it's not fun. The second way is you can use technology to find R. Using this method is far quicker and easier as the program can do the computations efficiently. All you need to do is input all the values, data values for the given problem into your calculator or some online program, and it will do it for you in a snap. It can do all that arithmetic extremely quickly. Now for this video, I'm going to be showing how to find it using the TI-8384 calculator. In another video, I'll show you how to use this formula by hand. So we're going to find the linear correlation coefficient R for the set of given data. So we have our XY values here, and X is all over the place, Y is all over the place, but again, these are paired data, and it has to be as is given to us. Don't change it, because you might mess something up. So there's all our values, and now I'm going to bring up my calculator to make my life easier. So calculator, and so let's go in here and we are going to input our values in. So we're going to go to stat, one edit, and I've already put in all the values again, but I would just double check to make sure that the values are put in correctly, because one value put in wrong, you're still going to get an answer, it just may not be the answer you want. In fact, it's probably going to be the incorrect answer. But you always just double check to make sure. Everything looks good. So I'm done with the list, so I can hit second mode to get out of this. And the way you have to do this, if you haven't turned on the values for R to be given to you, you have to do it yourself. But you only have to do it once unless you reset the calculator or you turn that option off. To do it is very simple. You're going to press second, and you're going to go down to 0 for catalog. And then you're going to go down to the D prompts, and you want to scroll down until you get to diagnostic on. Press enter, and then enter again. It says it's done. That's all you need to do. It's now enabled. So now we're done with that, and you're going to press stat, calc, and you're going to go down to linreg ax plus b. You can do the other one as well. I just like this one because it's the first one. Press enter. And if you're using a TI-84, it's going to ask you for your X list, your Y list. Just put it as L1 and L2. In the 83 calculator, you don't have to do anything. It's done by default. So going to hit enter. It's going to think about it, and it's going to give us our R value. R is right here. Don't want R squared, just R. 0.947349124. But usually we round to like the nearest 3 decimals, so we're going to do 0.947. So R is equal to 0.947. So there is the linear correlation coefficient R for this given set of data. Very simple, very easy. Let's do it again for this new set of data. So again, I'm going to need to put in my values here. This time I don't have them put in ahead of time, but it's okay. It's good practice to learn how to do it. So stat, one edit, I'm going to clear my list out. So scroll up and clear, and then scroll up and clear again. Now I'm going to put in my values. So I got 10, 8, 13, 9, 11, 14, 6, 4, 12, 7, and then 5. There we go. And I'm going to do it again for the other numbers. 9.14, 8.14, 874, 877, 926, 810, 613, 310, 913, almost done. 726. And blissfully the last one, 4.74. So again, double check your work if you're not sure, or you just want to be doubly sure. You don't have to turn our value back on. It should automatically stay enabled, so we can just get out of the list. Clear this out. We're going to go back to stat, calc. Again, number 4 is good for me. And hit enter again, and it's going to give me an R value of 0.816. 0.816. So again, I'm rounding to 3 decimals, but if you're told to round to something different, you do whatever you're told. And that's how you find the R value, the linear correlation coefficient, for a set of data using just a TI-83 calculator.